Do you find it hard to improve your eyesight? Do you want to know some amazing ideas that can improve your eyesight fast at home? Well, in this video, we will share to you 3 amazing, simple, and easy methods and techniques to improve your eyesight in no more than 2 weeks. So be ready so that these amazing ideas will give credit to you and apply it. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will share some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy, wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And remember, life is beautiful. The problem is, in this world, the technology is developing way faster than what we originally thought. The quicker the technology improves, the slower our eyes will recover from being damaged. Moreover, this means that the longer we spend in front of the computer screens, smartphones, TV screens, or tablet, the more damage our eyes can get and the longer it will take for us to heal it. If we are being truly and completely honest and straight to the point, your eyes are being abused, strained from being used too much to the point that they easily get tired. And your eyesight will quickly drop and slowly without you noticing in the future, and you might need to wear glasses. A poor eyesight can cause a lot of problems in your everyday life. You will need to wear glasses, or if you want the hassle-free, you can use contacts. You need to choose the design for your glasses and how big your eye grade is. Glasses are expensive, and so are the contacts. Some people even tend to get surgeries, which are at a whole lot level when talking about expensiveness. Maybe let's just stick with contacts and glasses for now. Do you take good care of your eyes? Maybe you should start doing that now while your eyesight is still fine and dandy. Here, we will get to discuss and get to understand and know some ways on how you will improve your eyesight. But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click that notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. Number 1. Use special exercises to train your eyes. Massage your eyes to prepare it for whatever eye straining activity you are about to do. Massage it for about a minute or 2 as you gently move your already washed and clean hands in a circular motion. This will help revitalize your eyes properly. Another example is a pencil push-up. This can also help those people who have double vision and crossed eyes. Get the pencil and draw any number or letter. Place your focus on what you have written down and move it away from your face. Now move it back towards your eyes, but don't lose your concentration over it as you pull it back near you. Stop as soon as you start to see it get doubled. Look away or close your eyes for a few minutes. When time is up, look back up and you should not see double, then move it back away from your eyes again. And repeat. Near and far focusing exercise can remarkably nourish the muscles in your eyes. You don't have to worry about what position to stay in while doing this. You can either be standing or sitting down. Select any object 10 to 20 feet away from you and put your focus on it. Remain like this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Place your thumb 10 inches away from your face as you transfer your concentration onto that. Stay focused for another 10 to 15 seconds, then repeat the steps all over again for about 5 times. Second to the last example is the 8 figure. This helps you to gain more control of your eyes. Start by imagining a huge number 8 figure in front of you on the floor. Trace the outline with your eyes and don't be in a rush. Just take your time and concentrate. Trace it one way, then when you're done, trace it back from the other way. Repeat this for a few minutes. And lastly, the directional exercise while sitting upright and by standing up without moving your head. Look at the right, then the left. For 5 times before resting, do this exercise from one side to the other while keeping your focus on your movement. Repeat this twice. Now, do the same while looking down and up, still without moving your head. Repeat it for another 3 times. After doing this, place your palm lightly on your eyes while it is closed. This is mandatory so that you can relax your eyes after doing the exercise. 2. Feed your eyes properly. Our eyes are the same as with any other different parts of our body. They also need vitamins and minerals in order for them to stay strong and healthy and to properly function. Meals that are rich in fruits and vegetables and foods that are low in fats. Berries are also good for your eyes, or any fruits that contain sugar like blueberries, goji, and grapes. This kind of fruits have potential inflammatory properties. They also assist in improving your eyesight. There are also elements that protect your eyes from being damaged by the sun like lutein, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin. These elements can be found in vegetables like sweet potatoes, pumpkin, carrots, and dark leafy vegetables. Food that contains vitamin E, C, and A are nuts, especially almonds, strawberries, salmon, mackerel, and eggs. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that aids you in protecting your cells, which also includes your eye cells. Vitamin C, unlike vitamin E, is a powerful and strong antioxidant that can protect your eyes from damaging free radicals. Vitamin C is required to make protein called collagen that provides structure for your eyes. Foods that have high amount of vitamin C are broccoli, bell peppers, kale, citrus, and tropical fruits. Vitamin A plays a significant role for your vision. It helps you maintain a clear vision. If you are rich in vitamin A, you can prevent your eyes and tear ducts from drying out. This vitamin can lower the rate of you having cataract when you get old. Number 3. Make some lifestyle changes. If you want to improve your eyesight, then you need to alter some things in your daily life. Changes are needed if you want to be better. Try to let go of the bad habits as you practice new and healthy ones. Here are some examples. Lighting. If the lighting in your room or office is a tad bit darker than what supposedly is the correct shade of brightness, then you really need to change it right away. If you have fluorescent lights above you, well, you need to change it. The reason being is that those kind of light releases radiation that will make you feel groggy and tired, and it gives you a different level of color. And speaking of light, if you work, write, study, or read something, do it with a study lamp, shining down on your object, and it should be directed to it so that the shade will protect your eyes. Another one is to enhance the quality or the smell of the air surrounding you, be it at your office or at the own comfort at your house. The reason why you have dry eyes is that it lacks lubricant and moisture on the surface. This can turn out worse, like from a mild irritation to an inflammation on your eye tissues. So go and purchase an air humidifier. You can buy it online or at any mall. That is one of the reasons why that device is a must-have in your office or at home. Always wear sunglasses or anything that protects your eyes from a harmful rays of the sun whenever you get out from your house or from anywhere for that matter. The risk of getting cataracts or macular degeneration isn't from the sunlight but from the damaging UV rays of the sun. So start investing in some UV protection sunglasses if you don't have one. Control your weight because a good diet includes lots of vitamins and minerals that will be distributed to different parts of your body that is advantageous for your eyes. And more importantly, a balanced diet can avoid you from getting diabetes, which results in blindness. Quit smoking. Not only does it damage your lungs, but also your eyes. Surprising, isn't it? It can cause a few eye problems such as cataracts, optic nerve damage, and macular degeneration. The more you smoke can lead to diabetes, and diabetes can also severely ruin your eyes. Try to limit your computer usage as much as you can and as much as possible. Yes, we do admit that it's hard and difficult since it's almost part of our daily lives and routine. We are all guilty about that. However, you can diminish the negative hit that you'll receive from gawking at your computer screens the entire day by some ways on how to. Bonus tip for you all, but don't get your hopes up just yet. There's not even a scientific explanation that this is true. People say that there are a few products that can lighten the shade of your eyes. It is possible with the help of these items: chamomile tea, honey, ginger, spinach, and others. It can brighten the color in just 2 weeks. Therefore, if you don't want to spend a few amounts from your wallet or your savings, try and avoid things or stuff that can damage your eyes. Life is not easy if you're wearing glasses or contacts. Believe us when we say that people who wear them for their everyday life are wishing to be at your place right now. So do take care of your eyesight. We don't want you regretting your decision now, do we? Now that you know these 3 amazing ideas, will you consider it? Are you enjoying the video? And what do you think about the video that we've shared? Comment below to share your thoughts about it. We really appreciate it. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends to keep them motivated. And do subscribe to know some amazing ideas that we will share and keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. And always remember, life is beautiful.